Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, we are going to be talking about what is a carrier oil and the benefits of a carrier oil. So what is a carrier oil? Well, a carrier oil is a base oil that is used to dilute essential oils before using it on your skin. So if you don't know what an essential oil is, think of an oil such as peppermint oil or clove or lavender. Those are essential oils. We don't use essential oils directly on our skin, and we use carrier oils to help us use them topically. Not all carrier oils are vegetable oils. Some are derived from seeds, nuts, or kernels. So examples of those are the oils that I have here. We have sunflower oil, coconut oil, marula oil, and olive oil. Carrier oils are also referred to as fixed oils because they do not quickly evaporate from the skin and remain fixed on the skin. Carrier oils have different properties such as color, viscosity, penetration speed, and therapeutic properties. So now, what are benefits of these carrier oils? Well, carrier oils have a whole gamut of benefits, but I'm going to tell you about 10 of them. The first one is its ability to brighten dull skin. So if you find that your skin is not looking as bright as you are used to, a carrier oil can help to brighten it. Number two, carrier oils help to protect against environmental stressors and free radicals. And what those are sun, wind, and smoke damage. Carrier oils also help to firm and tighten skin for a smoother appearance. They hydrate skin for a healthy glow. And use of carrier oils have been shown to control acne and occasional breakouts. Carrier oils maintain and repair vital skin tissue and repair sun-damaged skin. So if you've had any type of damage to the skin, a carrier oil will help to repair and heal the skin. Carrier oils also help to reduce lines and wrinkles, helping the skin look smoother and younger. Carrier oils also help to even out skin tone. So if you have any pigmentation or hyperpigmentation of the skin, a carrier oil will help to even out your skin tone, giving you a smoother appearance. They have anti-inflammatory properties, which means if you're prone to redness of the skin, a carrier oil will definitely help to ease that redness and soothe the skin. And finally, carrier oils moisturize the skin. Its most popular property is that it moisturizes the skin, but it also helps to promote hair growth. So using the right oil will help to promote hair growth. So these oils that I have here, sunflower, for example, is very good for moisturizing the skin, as well as coconut oil. Marula makes an excellent facial oil as it is a dry oil, so it penetrates into the skin very quickly. And if you want deep hydration, olive oil over here will definitely help you get that. So there you go. If you're not using carrier oil, maybe this is a sign for you to start. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, if you like this video, tap that like button, hit subscribe, and click for notifications. And I will see you next time.